Okay, we have a Fadal vertical machining center, model VMC4020 HT. It's new in 2000, serial number 012000000202267. Okay, it has a Fadal CNC 88HS control, 10,000 RPM spindle, high torque, a 21 ATC we're running right now, 1500 RPM. You can see the spindle turning. We're up to 4,000 RPM. Machine will go up to 10,000. 6,000 RPM. It's a 48 by 20 table with 40 inches of X, 20 inches of Y, and 20 inches of Z. That's 8,000 RPM. Okay, we'll take it back down. Box weigh machine as well. You've got chip auger. We're going to do a tool change. 21 ATC. There you go. 40 taper. Jogging the axes. All right. Ball screws and motors sound nice. Again, on the Y. Do it one more time. I believe that we might have had the camera in the wrong position. There you go. And now we're doing the X. You can also see the flaking still on the table. All right. Machine also has washdown. And it has a pulse generator. Jog pennant, remote jog pennant. Thank you for watching the video.